Hey guys, in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change password on Yahoo Mail on iPhone. The steps are really simple and easy, so let's get started. First of all, you need to open the Yahoo Mail application on your iPhone. So from here, make sure you're logged into the account where you want to change password. Then tap on Profile on the top left corner. After that, go to Settings. From here, you need to tap on Manage Accounts. From here, you need to tap on Account Info below your username. From here, scroll down to Account Security and then tap on Security Settings. Then use your Touch ID or Face ID. Wait for the next page to load up. Once you're in the next page, you need to scroll down a bit. And here, you'll get to see an option called Password. Tap on Change Password beside it. Now, all you need to do is type in your new password. Just make sure it is not a variation of your old password. Also, try not to use any personal information. Now, simply tap on Continue. And as you can see, your password has been changed. So that is how you can change password on Yahoo Mail on iPhone. Thanks for watching and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.